G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. Today we have a guest appearance. Nathan from Halewood is joining us today to make up a cocktail. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So Nate's got over 10 years experience in the hospital and beverage game, so I'm super excited to see what he's going to make for us today. I'm going to get out of the picture and hand over to Nate. So
perfect.
Enjoy,
Thanks,
mate. Cheers.
Hey guys, we're going to make a pretty easy cocktail today using our Whitley Neill Ginger Rhubarb, which is UK #1 premium gin at the moment, and a popular one here in Australia. So fairly easy one at home. It's basically a mojito, but we're going to use gin, and it's got some mint added into it. It's a Southside Fizz. So basically all we want to do for that one is we want to grab a tall glass. We're going to use this one. We're just going to build this cocktail up. So what we're going to do is take 60 mils of the gin. And we're going to get 30 mils of fresh lime juice. Just grab a squeezer if you've got one like that at home. One lime should pretty much do 30 mils. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is grab a handful of mint. So you probably want around 5-6 leaves like that. Just give that one a clap. Opens up the oils and the aromas and the mint leaves there. Then we want to just basically take some ice, top that glass up, about 3/4 of the way. We're going to add in some ginger beer and then soda to top it off, and then we're going to garnish your drink, give it a stir. So 30 mils of ginger beer, fresh soda, 30 mils, a little bit more ice in the top there. A bit more ice there to finish that one off. Give it a nice stir and get that mint all the way through. Grab one of your mint with a bit of stalk on the end of it there. Again, just open that one up. Throw that one into the drink like that. And put a nice little straw in there as well. There you go. Southside Fizz.